I welcome all of you. I have created a video about how to create and upload an handwritten assignment. Nowadays, every teacher is asking for uploading or sending them the handwritten assignment. Here is the video for the students how to upload and how to create first the handwritten assignment. First of all, I will let you know how to make the PDF via the CAM scanner. The CAM scanner is an app that will be in your mobile phones. I will let you know how to make the PDF of your handwritten assignment via the CAM scanner app. Here's my CAM scanner app. I'm opening it. Here in the blue right hand corner, we have this camera option. I have to click on it and I have to take the photograph of my handwritten assignment. I have to resize the page and click on next option. This is how it may look like in the PDF format. Save it and there will be the another page. Click again on this camera option and take the photograph of the another page like this. I can also resize this page and click on the next option. This is how it will look like in the PDF format. Here are so many choices. You can click any one of them. Let me take the original form. Save it. And same wise, how many pages of assignment you would have, you have to click so many times on this camera option and click the photograph of them. Here on the upper side, top of this, there is, you can see the cam scan and name. This is the name of the file, and there is the PDF, and there is the share button also. We have to click on this PDF button. When I click it on the PDF button, it looked like this. This will be my PDF like this. These are the two pages which I have clicked. Okay. Then I have to click on this share button. And here you can save it on the drive, or you can save it locally, or you can send it via WhatsApp. So let me save it on the local drive. Let me check where this file has. There's a cam scanner, a folder in your phone. Click on that, and here is the file which I have saved just in a while. Click on it, rename it, write your name, assignment of Hafsa, or your roll number. Okay, then click on OK. Here the file got saved like this. Okay, now we have to upload this file. Let me show you how to upload it via mail or via Google Class or on the link available. Now we have made the PDF file for assignment, and now we are going to upload it as per the demand of the teacher. I have already told you that some teachers are saying to upload this assignment via the Google Class, or send them via mail, or send them via WhatsApp, or some are giving the link like this and saying that submit the assignment through this link. Via this link, you have to click on this link. After clicking this link, it will take you to the browser. When it will take you to the browser, your page will look like this, and here are the instructions for whom this link is to upload the assignments. and students are requested that they should not upload the assignment or any other assignment on the link which the teacher has provided, particular teacher has provided. So here it is that if you are not having this mail id, then switch to your own account, log into your own account via this switch account. Okay, then after that, if you are having this mail id, then go on, no need to switch to another account. So after this, we are writing here the mail id. Don't make hurry to write the mail id, because then you will be writing it wrongly, and if you enter the wrong mail id, you will not get the assignment marked to you back. Here it's the candidate's name, what it demands, go on filling that. Here it's the parentage, here is it is the class, of which class you are. Let me say I'm the second semester. Here it's the Google class name. Every student has not joined the Google class with their real names, so it's here to mention your Google class name, via which name you have joined. It's not the Google class name which class you have joined, but it's the Google class name of yours, by which name you have joined. Let me say that I have joined with the Hina, and my enrollment of the college. And one more thing, it demands that batch, which from which batch you are. Let me say I am 2019, and the registration number provided by the college. Next is the category. Are you the regular student? Are you the private student? Or you the backlog student? Let me tell, I am the regular student. This is the serial number, which I have already provided you the link, PDF files. Go through those PDF files, and there will be everybody's serial number. Let me say my serial number is 50, and after that serial number, you have to choose the paper which you have solved. If I have solved the set A, then I will choose set A, and if I have solved the set B or set C or set D, I have to choose the same file, because I'm uploading my assignment, and the questions in the assignment and the papers you have solved will be different, that will not be evaluated. Let me say I have solved the paper set A. Here is the WhatsApp number. As it was already mentioned above in the instructions, there are two subjects who can upload the assignment here. It is the history of the Indian education and the psychological foundations of education. I am the second semester student, so I am opting this. And then here is this sign, add file. You have to click on this add file. The window will look like this, and here it's the select a file from your device. This means from your mobile device. Click on this, as we have saved the file in the CamScanner app folder, so we have to go on that in that folder, and then we have named the assignment with our name. You might have named the assignment with your name or the subject, and click on that. I have named it as assignment, so I'm uploading this. Click on upload. It will take you some time to upload, but wait, otherwise you have to fill the form once again. Your assignment will not reach to your teacher. Here it came the file which I have uploaded, assignment, and only the PDF format is allowed here. Okay, so and here only the 10 MB file is allowed. Size of the file should be less than the 10 MB. Here there is an option, send me the copy of the response. When we will submit this form, it will go to the teacher, but I'm also opting for this, that I should also have this copy of this response which I have sent to the teacher, and I will click on the submit button. Here my assignment has been submitted, and this gives me the message that you have successfully submitted the assignment. If this message is prompted on your screen, then you have submitted the assignment successfully. If this message has not prompted on your screen, then your assignment has not reached to your teacher. And I have opted to that I should have one copy of assignment. Let me check my mail that whether I have got the assignment or not. Here it is the assignment submission form, and here it is what I have submitted to the teacher. This is the copy of that I have submitted this file to the teacher. Okay, this is how you have to upload the assignment via the link which the teacher has provided. Next, we have how to upload the assignment via the Google Classroom. You have to go to that particular classroom. You have to click here where we can share the files, and you have to add the file like this. And you have to select this file which you want to upload and upload. It will look like this. Here you will write the message for your teacher. Here is the assignment of roll number whatsoever, 123. Okay, then you have to click on this post and it will get posted to the teacher. Okay, and next we have that how to submit the assignment via how to send the assignment via mail. This is my mail ID. I'm going to compose the mail, and here I'm giving the mail ID of my teacher. Suppose my teacher is this, and in subject I will write the assignment of Hafsa, education and roll number 123. Okay, and then here I will attach the file that this particular subject. This has been uploaded. Don't click on submit button, otherwise attachment will not get attached to your mail, and click on send button. This will be sent to your teacher. Okay, this is how we submitted via Google Classroom, we submitted via mail, and we submitted via the link which the teacher has provided. And you already know how to submit the via WhatsApp. The file is being sent to the teacher on the WhatsApp, and please submit your assignments before the due date that has been mentioned in your assignments. This is all about this how to create and how to submit the assignment via different modes. I hope you have got this how to submit and how to create the file and how to submit it via different modes. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel